The Slice tool for ArcGIS Pro is perfect for getting a better look at your data inside of buildings. Get a better view of your building information models by temporarily cutting away the roof, walls, or floors that are in the way. To activate the Slice tool, click the Analysis tab and open the Interactive Analysis Gallery. Choose Slice. The tool is now active, as you can see by my cursor, and the Exploratory Analysis pane. For this scenario, I'll choose a horizontal plane direction so that I can view my building floor by floor. I'll click at one corner of the building, and then click at the opposite diagonal corner to create a square plane. I can move the plane floor by floor using the green arrow. While working with Slice objects, I recommend holding down the keyboard shortcut C to navigate without the need to switch between the Explore tool and the Slice tool. I can adjust the Slice plane further by using the scale handles to increase or decrease the width and height. I can also rotate the plane. Additionally, I can alter what data is cut away. In the Exploratory Analysis pane, I'll switch to the Properties page. There, I can change the cull direction to cull on different sides of the plane, and I can fine-tune the layers that are affected by the Slice plane. The Slice tool for ArcGIS Pro really allows you to view your data in brand new ways.